Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 Honda Shadow Phantom. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2020 Honda Shadow Phantom, with 7,832 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Vance & Hines exhaust and aftermarket Stage 1 intake, passing lamps, smoke front turn signals, and grips. Powered by a 745cc V12 engine, the Shadow puts 45 horsepower and 48 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 3.8-gallon fuel capacity, the Shadow has a 140 to 160 mile range. It has a 25.6-inch seat height and a 553-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 3/30 seconds and the rear at 4/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a blemish on the front fender, surface scratches on the fuel tank, and blemishes on the cable lines, and the mirror is missing. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the Cycle Checks vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a powertrain 30-day, 1,000-mile warranty. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.